Hello everyone, Assalamu-alaikum. Good morning, happy Wednesday, and welcome back to another video. For today's vlog, guys, isi-share ko sa inyo ang aking recipe, my own version of Mongolian beef or stir-fry beef. Ito guys, it's very simple. Yung ingredients, napakadaling hanapin at napaka-nutritious. Alam kong magugustuhan ng ating family or ang ating mga kids. Diba guys? So, ito nga, siya guys, hindi, siguro mga about 10 minutes or 15 minutes lang yung preparation natin. Kaya yun, ready na kayo? Ayan na. So guys, let's start cooking. Ito. Okay. We're gonna add olive oil. It's about 3 tablespoons guys, or 2 tablespoons. Pwede na yan. Olive oil. Okay. Yes guys, this is a marinated beef. It's a flank steak marinated with 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, dark soy sauce or light soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and sesame oil, and I adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda for tenderizer guys. So wag na kayong mag-iisip na wala kayong pang tenderizer, pwede na yun. Lalagay lang tayo ng konting guys, konting baking soda for our tenderizer. Okay, start na natin guys. Ito yun guys. So how very thinly sliced. Ayan guys, so marinated na siya. Okay. And ito nga, ipa-fry na natin. Ganun lang. Ganun. Ito lang guys. Ipa-fry natin dito sa olive oil. Just a 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Ganun lang yan. Kasi napakaano lang naman guys na itong Mongolian beef, diba? Stir fry. So, ito na. And okay guys, I forget. I adding 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay, it's optional lang guys. Kasi kung ayaw nyo ng spicy, pwede rin naman na alisin nyo yun. Lagi, black pepper na lang. Medyo damihan nyo. White pepper or black pepper. Ganun lang guys. Mix natin para hindi siya masunog. Ganun. So, ayun na. Tatakpan natin to guys para madali yung pagluto niya. It's a very simple guys. Diba? So, ganun lang. Ngayon kasi guys, mas ito madali sa akin lutuin, wala nang time, kaya sabi ko gagawa na lang ako ng Mongolian beef. Ayan, sa aking version to guys ha, kaya nako, ano lang tayo, kasi version ko lang ito guys, kasi hindi ako nag-a-adding ng wine, since nga guys na Islam kami, so hindi kami nag-a-adding ng mga wine. Kasi, ang original naman na ito guys, meron talaga silang wine. So, instead of wine, ang ina-add ko na lang guys, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Ganon. Yun ang tips ko sa inyo. Kasi, Muslim kami guys. We are Islam. Alhamdulillah. So, we are not using wine. So, kaya ganon guys. Okay? Nasa sa inyo guys, kung gusto yung i-add nyo ng wine, okay lang sa inyo, diba? Okay lang. I'm sorry, wala siyang wine, okay? Guys, ito na nga siya. Ready na. Ilalagay na natin yung ating mga seasoning. Okay, we start with oyster sauce. So guys, it's about tablespoon na lang siguro kasi meron naman na siyang nilagay tayo before. And a little bit of dark soy sauce. Ayan guys. And then soy sauce. Ayan. And 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Ito guys. Kailangan natin ng sesame oil. So, ganun lang yon. And then, i-mix lang natin. Ito nga guys. Kita nyo yan? Ganyan siya guys. At maglalagay din tayo dito guys ng cornstarch. I-dissolve natin sa 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and we're going to dissolve with a 2 tablespoon of water or 3 tablespoon of water. Ganun lang. And then, ito nga guys, maglalagay na tayo ng white onion slice. Kung ilan lang ang ilalagay nyo. Ganun. And then, may mix na lang natin. Ganun. Ayan guys. Kita nyo. Mix lang natin. Parang half cook lang guys itong veggies natin. Itong onions, white onions. Kasi hindi naman dapat siyang overcook. Dito parang half cook lang pati yung bell pepper. Red and green. It's about cup ang ilalagay natin. Nilagay pala natin. Nahihilo na ako guys. I am sorry. Ako. Ayun lang. And then, syempre ilagay na natin yung ating spring onions. Ito guys, yung spring onions natin. Tatapin. Ganun lang yun. At yung ating cornstarch. Guys, how simple diba? Very simple guys. So, meron na naman tayong stir-fry beef or Mongolian beef. Okay guys? Napaka-easy. So, enjoy. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa aking cooking. Okay guys? It's almost done and ready to serve. I-serve na natin. Okay? At saka guys, ito ay tulad nyo nang sabi ko, yung maniluluto ko ngayon for white rice lang yung isi-serve natin with white rice. At kung ganahan pa kayo guys, at hindi pa kayo pagod, mas maganda rin at mas masarap kung meron tayong Chinese fried rice or Mongolian fried rice. Pero sa akin guys, ayoko ng maraming oil, so tama na sa akin ang boiled white rice. Yan lang. Sana nag-enjoy kayo guys dito. Sarap, diba? Guys, ito, ilalagay na natin sa ating serving plate. Ayan siya. Kasi, ano guys nag-aantay na yung kakain. Diba? So, ganun lang yun. Guys, yung ating serving plate ng ating Mongolian beef. Pwede din kayo guys mag-add ng ng green beans. Masarap din yung green beans dito. Kaya lang ito lang ang nilagay ko, yung bell pepper at saka yung onions. Pero kung gusto nyo rin, pwede din kayo mag-add ng iba-ibang vegetable. yung gusto nyo. Ayun lang. Ito guys. Ito nga guys, it's ready to serve na. 'Di ba? Ang dali lang natin gawin. So, ito nga ano na lang ako guys. Malapit na 'tong matapos. Okay? By the way, thank you so much for checking this out. I hope you like this video and share this with your family and friends. Okay guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and you can also follow me on my FB page, Isabel Cooking as well, and for my Instagram, Shells Cooking. Okay guys, and also magpapa-thanks ako always guys sa inyo, and thanks to my new subscribers, my regular subscribers, and to my silent viewers, regular supporters, regular commenters. Okay, thank you, na-appreciate ko lahat yan guys. Bye bye.